Hey guys, look who's excited to be back. I am excited to be back, honestly. I am. Guys, see, the thing is, I have been busy, trying to acquire new skills. It's not easy, acquiring new skills and still be a content creator is not easy. But anyways, God is helping me. And guys, I always tell you guys I'm going to be consistent. I'm trying my best to be consistent and God is helping me. So last week I did not put out any video last week, but I said this week, whether the devil like it or not, I must drop one video for you guys, because I know a lot of you are waiting for my video. So why not? Thank you guys for always supporting me. I see all your comments, I see the correction. Guys, I will always educate myself to be the best version of myself and always put out premium content for you guys to watch. So thank you so much for always coming back to watch all of my video, and thank you a lot. God bless you. Today we are going to be discussing about a very powerful exfoliating scrub that you can use to get rid of your whitehead and your blackhead. Okay, natural remedy, not chemical or whatever. This is natural remedy that's going to do the work for you, and this one you're not going to break the bank. Okay, you're not going to break the bank. It's affordable, anybody can get it and use it. All right, so I always bring premium and authentic content. So yeah, before some of you will come under my comment section and be saying
in 2024 you are still using this, you are still using that.
Let me show you guys the things that I've been using that did not work for me. Okay, they work but in different aspects, but this one is going to target your whitehead and your blackhead. That's what it's going to do, and give you a very clear and smooth skin. And I know you want that. First thing that I used when I was trying to get rid of my acne, my whitehead, my blackhead, is this particular product. This is the Rapid Clear Fight and Fade. You guys can see that I'm still using it. It's almost finished because I have been using it. I would say this particular product is working on my skin. Honestly, it's helping me get rid of the acne. It's helping me getting rid of the acne. But as oily skin, I have this acne. I have acne prone skin, and I also have whitehead, a lot of whitehead and blackhead. And I get to realize that even after this treats my acne, my face still look very rough. My face is not smooth. My face is not giving like the way I want it to give. You understand? So I realized that this is only for acne. It's not going to remove your whitehead or your blackhead. It's not going to do that. Okay, it's just going to help treat your acne, and that is the only thing that it did for me. Maybe some people will use it and it's going to work for your maybe other things like whitehead and blackhead. It can work for that, honestly. Depends on your skin. But you see, this is my whitehead, and they are very stubborn. I don't know why I'm finding it so hard to get rid of them. But this particular fight and fade rapid clear is just to help my skin, treat my acne, and remove the dark spots from my face. But it is not making my face smooth the way I want it to smooth. So that is just the issue I'm having with this product. And I have also tried other things, okay, which I'm going to show you guys. I have also tried this particular hand sponge, this hand glove sponge on my face. Basically, this is something that when I use it on my body, I love how it makes my body feel, because it makes my body smooth and just give me that very soft skin, and I like it. But for my face, I don't like it on my face. You might be using this on your face and it's good for you. That's fine. I'm not judging that fact. It can work for other people, but for me, it's not working for me. So maybe if you are someone like me, maybe you have tried all these things that I'm going to show you, and it's not working for you, this particular exfoliating scrub that I will show to you guys is going to work for you. So maybe you should try that as well. If you have tried all this and it's not working for you, so try that. Okay, so this one is what I use on my face. And guys, my face is very sensitive. My face is very sensitive, and when I use this on my face, I always have this, my skin always have this reaction. My skin is always getting irritated. So I noticed that because how sensitive my skin is, this is not something I should be using on my face, which I stop using. Okay, I now use only this on my body. I don't use it on my face because I find out that it's not good for my face. Okay, so if it's working for you, you can continue using it, but it's not working for me, so I have to stop because it's actually making my face like very, very sensitive, and I don't like it. Another thing that I use on my face is this konjac sponge. I use this konjac sponge on my face. This konjac sponge is very good. It's mild on the skin. It's mainly produced for delicate skin. If you have a very delicate skin, you have sensitive skin, you have white head, if you have black head, it can work for you. But I noticed that because my face is very stubborn, the white head on my skin is very stubborn, honestly, so it did not work for me. It did not work for me. This is working, but I'm not seeing the effectiveness like the way I want to see it, like fast. I use this every day, and my face is not that giving like the way I want it to give. So what I now discover is using honey. Yes, honey. Yes, when I mean honey, I mean original honey. So I got original honey, and I got sugar, white sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, but make sure the sugar is well ground, like is like the sugar is very, very smooth. Don't use a sugar that is big on your face. Use the one that is very, very small, that is grounded very well. And I mix it with my honey, original honey, and I use it to exfoliate my skin. And when I'm exfoliating my face, I do it very gently, and honestly I realize that it works on my skin like very, very fast. So that is what I'm using on my face to exfoliate my skin: honey and just sugar. And guys, let me tell you something about this honey and sugar. Even if I exfoliate my skin just once, it can carry me the whole week to the next week again before I will exfoliate my face. But this, I do this, I use this 3 times weekly, and I'm not seeing that like what I want. I use the other sponge and exfoliating glove on my face every day, and I'm still not getting the result that I want. But this honey and sugar, I use it just once weekly on my face, and my face is very smooth, very soft, very clear. I'm having a very clear skin, as you guys can see. You guys can see that my skin is clear. The most important fact is that my skin is now very smooth, and that is what I've always wanted. Okay, and after I exfoliate my skin, I go ahead and use a very good moisturizing face cream for my face. So that is just what I use on my skin, and I'm loving how my skin is looking currently. So guys, if you've tried all this remedy and it's not working for you, or you're using a particular product to try to get rid of your white head and dark and black head, and it's not working for you, you can try this natural remedy made with honey and sugar and see how it's going to help your skin. Okay, and yeah, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with a friend or a family member, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.